Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your ROCCAT Kone XP Air to a Windows PC. There are three ways you can do it. The first one being via Bluetooth, the second one is via USB, and third one is via the receiver that you have in the box. So first let's do it through Bluetooth. To do it through Bluetooth you need to make sure that this switch right here, which can be put in 3 different positions, is turned all the way down to the Bluetooth icon. Then you need to press and hold on the Bluetooth pairing button on your mouse until it starts blinking blue. So this button, and then I'm gonna move to the PC. Here we need to go to the settings, and in the settings find devices, Bluetooth and other devices, and then click on add Bluetooth or other device, then Bluetooth, and now it should find your mouse. Click on it, and now it's connected, so it works. Let's now go back to the mouse. Here, it's connected right now, so I can use it, but I can also instead connect it through a different method. So when I switch the switch to the center, then it will work in Bluetooth mode. So no, in USB mode. So when I connect it through a USB-C cable down here to my computer, it starts working right away. And then there is another mode, the Wi-Fi mode, which will work if you have the receiver that was included with the mouse and you plug it into your computer. Then you just need to turn it here and it will start working right away without any configuration. So that's how you pair your ROCCAT Kone XP Air. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.